it's Danielle. Welcome. So today we're going to do some blue nails. I don't know why I felt like blue, but I felt like blue. So we're going to work on it. So what I'm going to do is just use this color and then put this baby on top and then use this base coat and top coat. I'm going to be using these nails. I hope you guys can see it. Probably not because it's too far. Move some things around, and also it's white. But anyways, they're just almond shaped nails. These are the shapes. And then we're probably going to add some sazon, also known as just rhinestones. I'm just being extra. And I might throw this in too. Who knows, huh? Anyways, let's get to it. Voila, these are the results. I gotta say, it's giving exactly what it was supposed to be given, okay? So if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.